Alright, y'all, this is my second freaking time trying to do this makeup look. I got up early in the morning to record this look and I did not like the results. So here I am again getting ready to retry this Halloween makeup look. So I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then come back and do the eyeshadow and the rest of the tutorial. Alright, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm just putting down a base for my eyeshadow. The first time I tried to do this look, I did a cut crease with the gold from the crayon case palette, box of crayons palette, and it did not, I didn't like it, so I'm not gonna do that this time. I don't think I'm gonna do a cut crease this time. Let's get into this makeup look. So first I'm starting out with like a light brown color. It is from the MacBook crayon case. MacBook crayon case, I'm sorry. And I'm just using that as my transition color and I'm just gonna buff that in. I'm focusing on my crease area and I'm using the darkest brown out of the crayon case box of crayons palette. I'm going in with the green from the MacBook crayon case palette and I'm just blending that out everywhere just to add a pop of color. After that, I apply some concealer to the middle part of my eye for like the halo effect, and then I'm going in with the gold from the box of crayons crayon case palette and just packing that on. After that, I'm going back in with that green and I am blending out the edges. So I did my wing liner off camera and now this is just me applying the contacts. Y'all, when I say I do not wear contacts or fool with anything in or around my eyes like that. So this was like the hardest part of the makeup look, putting these dang on contacts in. And I can't believe, like I actually was able to handle it in my eye, because the last time I tried contacts, I was not able to do it. So I decided to fast forward through my foundation and concealer routine part because, that's simple. That's just the everyday thing. All right, so on to the fun part, y'all. This is a fishnet bra. I tried the fishnet wig cap, but it did not turn out right the first time I tried it. So this one actually worked. It's a bra, and I could not see or breathe with this thing on. And I started out with a red brick color. And I'm just really placing it in like the design or look that I was going for. You can do any type of design, but this was the one I decided to do. Told y'all I can't see. Next, I took a dark brown color to put on top of the brick color. I'm applying the green to the areas I did not fill in with the brown. Hey, y'all see I cut them holes where the eyes was at. I did not plan on cutting this bra. I mean, I really don't wear it, so it didn't matter, but still, I had to see. Especially with them contacts in, I could not see a thing. Perfect. All right, next I am going to my cheeks, and this is the reason why I said I did not need to contour, because that is the same area, and I'm going in with that same brick color first, and then I'm going to apply the green, and then I'm gonna go back in the dark brown on top of the brick color. I went over those areas with highlighter, and now I'm taking it off my face. I had to hold it at the top so that it wouldn't mess up my forehead area. And I did my wing liner off camera. I'm using a black eyeliner pencil to water my waterline, And I did the extended cat eye part off camera as well. And so I had to conceal and set those areas. And then I just used whatever was left on the brush from my eyeshadow. I just blended it underneath my eye for like a under eye smoky effect. And now I'm applying my lashes. Setting spray again. Who can't get enough of setting spray? Me. And so on one of the looks I had searched up for this Medusa look, I seen a girl do this type of lip, and I thought it was cute, and it went since I didn't have the fangs, because I went to Halloween Express and for 2 pair of fangs it cost $20. So this will do. Made me look more snaky, I guess you can say. And that is the headpiece that I made. And this is the finished look. Medusa head on me like Illuminati. I know that you like it for such a my neck and my wrist is so slushy. I'm eating your food and my table got so many plates on it. 100. Look at the lip gloss.
No, don't take you off. I'm gonna thank you.